This is Marvin Gilig. How much do you know about Mizor? Join me in this week's new venture featuring the municipality of Balingwan. In history, Balingwan is formerly part of Talisayan. It gained independence on March 1, 1952. According to the local legend, it derived its name from the word Baling ni Juan, or John's fishing net, which later on became simply as Balingwan. It's the main port for travelers going to the provincial island of Camiguin, about 86 kilometers from Cagayan de Oro, and would take around 1.5 hours bus ride, as well as from Butuan. This place is rich with copra, fish, seashells, fruits, vegetables, animal meat, and dairy products, which are the people's main source of living. So, to those who haven't been to different places, keep updated and prepare your list, as there is still more to explore in our very own Mizor. I'm Marvin Gilig, and that's 60 seconds. See you next week.